department because this will optimize our administrative tasks. In my experience today, guys, you already know naman, I was here. More on lesson sa inyo, no?
Oh, learn ang kwan sa statistics mo to mo ah. Solo. Solo boy, solo. Okay. Tayo na may lunch. Break me from our training. Pwede ba na may coffee shop dito na UYD? Ah, okay. Ah, gets na ko. Gets ko na. Ayan.